In the enchanted land of Geometria, there was a mystical circle named Circulus. Circulus was special because he was the only circle in the land that had a magical line across his diameter called Diameterus. This line was so magical that any point on Circulus's edge that Diameterus touched became a special point named arc. One day, a pair of twins named Anglia and Angleb were playing near Circulus. They both saw the beautiful arc and decided to connect themselves to arc using two perfectly straight lines, creating an angle. Both Anglia and Angleby were at different points on Circulus, but they both connected to the same arc. After a while, they noticed something strange. Even though they were at different points on Circulus, the angles they formed with arc were exactly the same. They couldn't believe it and called for the wise old wizard Geometro. Geometro, known for his knowledge of all things geometry, explained that this was the work of the inscribed angle theorem. This theorem, he said, states that an angle inscribed in a circle is half the measure of the central angle that subtends the same arc on the circle. Since Anglia and Angleb were both connected to the same arc, they formed identical inscribed angles regardless of their position on the edge of Circulus. The twins were in awe of this magical property of Circulus. From that day on, they spread the word about the inscribed angle theorem throughout Geometria, and all the other shapes in the land came to appreciate the unique properties of the wonderful Circulus. Remember, this story is a creative way to explain the inscribed angle theorem, which, in mathematical terms, states, an angle inscribed in a circle is half of the central angle that subtends the same arc on the circle.